Welcome, it's Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator. I'm doing a follow-up. Now the follow-up is on a couple of products we tested a few weeks ago. There's a video there, I'll link them next to each other. One of them was the Quick Dry Gloss and one of them was the Heritage Eggshell. Right, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. These have been in my garage and I've kept them out of the light to see what happens to them. Now both of these paints were mixed whites, i.e. they were mixed on the mixing machine to get to a British standard, right, 00E55, both of these. Now that's not a brilliant white, so I'm not expecting a brilliant white finish, fair enough, but I'm expecting a white finish. Now I don't know whether you can see this video. I don't know whether you can see this video as well as I can. I've moved it to the light. That looks off-white. That looks off-white. Now, can I angle this so you can see it? Let's bring it in. I won't move the camera, I'll bring it in. We've got the Dulux Trade QD gloss, quick drying gloss, and we've got the Heritage, and that's the Eggshell. Now, finish wise, they're lovely. I do like the Heritage. Let's try and scratch it with my nail. No, it's not moving. You're gonna be getting a coin because you're like, do you know what? That's solid. That's not moving, right? But the colour of that is very much an off-white. It's not white. It's a creamy white. Same with the gloss. That gloss, is it a hybrid? Because that is yellowed. That's not a bright white gloss. Is it hard? It is quite hard. I can just take a little bit of the surface off. But can you see that? I hope you can see how yellow these two look. Don't forget, I did it over that mushroomy buffy colour. We all said that they need an extra coat, but that Heritage with an undercoat and two top coats has actually covered quite nicely. It's not bad at all. I'd say that's virtually blind man on a galloping horse, if I'm allowed to say. Won't know whether that needs another coat. The gloss, a little bit grinny on these mouldings around the top. Possibly you get away with it. Hardness, not bad. Hardness, not bad. But the coloration, is that a good word? Coloration. They're not white to me. They're not white enough. And if that is a British standard, 00E50, I've got to check, 0055, they're not very white. And do you know what? I know they're not very white because I'm going to flip this door around to show you the diamond satin wood and the quick dry satin woods that were in pre-mixed white. Blinking out, they are white. I'm going to spin you down to there. Can you see the difference between these two? I'm hoping I can. I'm hoping you can see the difference. I'm going to stand the door up and I'm going to get a full view, so bear with me. I'm trying to do it so I've not got the sun on it, so we've got a true comparison. These to me look yellow. They've gone off. But is that the colour of that mixed white? These are what we'd expect as being white. So what are these paints? Is it the mix? If I'd had them in a tin that was mixed at the factory in white, would they be better? Quite possibly. But let's put it this way, if you went in and they hadn't got it already pre-mixed and you've got to get it mixed up, what have I been? Has it been 2 weeks? Just over 2 weeks. they're not white. So on that note, I feel I'm on a real downer with Dulux at the minute, and it's not that I'm on a downer. I'm just trying to test products, and I've got a lot of paints that are now behind me in my garage, well there, and I'm building up my own collection of paint all in whites, and I'm seeing the difference in paints. If you've got the Isomat, that's beautiful white. The Benjamin Moore's a nice white. Other videos that are coming through, you'll see they're not bad whites. But if they're whites that are having to be mixed on a mixer and they're not white, I would say they're off whites. They're off whites. Dulux Trade Quick Drying Satin Wood, it's a good white. The Diamond Satin Wood, it's a good white. While I'm here, Coin Test, not bad. Not bad. I've done coin tests before with the Benjamin Moore and the Diamond Satin Wood, and they've come off. Now, I said to you in those videos, you're only as good as the surfaces you're going over. Now, if those surfaces that I went over, which was a chalky matte paint, it's not adhered to that, it comes off. Yeah, watch that video, it'll be over my left shoulder as well. But these are white. This is poor. If these are what the British standard whites are, these are poor. These are creams. Now, oil-based gloss, if it's in a dark environment, will be not getting natural light to keep it white. These have been in my garage. Has it done the same, or is this what they are? If I left these out in the sunlight, would they improve? Would they improve because they're a hybrid? Would they improve being water-based? I'm not sure, but I'm telling you now, I've got 4 different paints here, and we've got different colours, and they're all supposed to be white, albeit they're like a brilliant white. If I can find my tin. Yeah, the Quick Dry Satin Wood says pure brilliant white. That's what we want as decorators. These are whites, but there's a big contrasting difference between brilliant white and white. On that note, feel awful. The gloss on that quick drying gloss Dulux is lovely. That finish is brilliant. That is really nice. What I'm not liking about it is that coloration. The colour deterioration might be even better. Is that normal? Question to you, is that normal? Have you noticed it? I wouldn't want that as my white. If I'd pick white as a customer, I'd be getting the decorator back. Now, would I be getting the decorator back to redo it in brilliant white, pre-made up in a tin? Or is that it? Might be some videos at the side. Please help watch them. The more people watch, the better. So, hope you're enjoying these contents. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Hopefully won't be moaning.